In this video, we will talk about how to fix Java update did not complete error code 1603. Step 1. Add or remove Java to environment variables. Right-click on Start. Select Run. Type System Properties command and press Enter. Select Advanced tab, then Environment Variables. Here, if you see variable name Java, then select it and delete it. If you don't find it in here, click on New. Enter variable name Java. Click on Browse File and search for Java. Open JRE folder, then bin folder. Search for java.exe file. Click on Open, then OK. Step 2. Install Java. Open in browser. Type Download Java and press Enter. Select Official Website. Scroll down, click on Online Version, and open the file. Click on Yes and install the updated version of Java. Hopefully, this will fix your issue. See you in the next video.